everyone, welcome back. It's Marissa from MV's Creative Creations. Today I have a moss wreath review as you saw. If you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you become a part of the DIY family. We do everything from crafting to baking, cooking, organization, cleaning, you name it. Anything we can do ourselves, we're gonna do. And if you're not a DIY person, I would love to encourage you to stay a part of the channel and become part of the family anyways. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. So here are the materials that you need: your glue gun and sticks, moss foam wreath, and optional ribbon of your choice. Okay, so this DIY is basically a two-step process. As you can see here, I am just adding glue onto my foam wreath, and on top of that glue I am adding the moss. And so I'm also stretching it out at the same time just to make sure that there's full coverage throughout the wreath. There's two options. You can either cover up the entire wreath front to back or just the front side. In this video you're going to see that I am going to cover up the entire wreath. It's just personal preference. Again, you can jazz it up to your style. Okay, so this next step is optional. This is basting spray, and all I'm doing is spraying it over the wreath and then going in and just reinforcing it with my hands, basically just squeezing any little flyaways. And again, I'm doing this to the front and the back. And the basting spray I actually bought at Walmart on the clearance aisle for a whole $1. I know they run between like $2 to $3. I'm sure that any other crafting store would have this available as well. So this is it, guys. This is pretty much the finished product, as you can see. Again, I'm just kind of reinforcing any little flyaways, and I'm gonna add ribbon. This step also is optional. I just decided that I felt like it needed something more for my taste, and so I'm going to add a bow here. So I decided to go with a burlap wreath with the black polka dots, and all I'm doing is attaching it with a black string. I want this bow to be interchangeable throughout the seasons. And again, maybe just for style preferences. But yeah, this is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. I ended up deciding that I was going to hang up over my kitchen sink like so. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Guys, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And before you leave, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for further DIYs. Also, today's encouraging word is believe. Believe that you can do anything that you set your mind to. Believe that you are beautiful. Believe that you are strong. Believe that you are courageous, confident, anything. Just believe. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.